Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about install and setup for Cypress in Windows system. Okay. In my previous video, I explained about introduction and features and version like a Cypress difference between the Cypress and Selenium, how it is there, and those things I explained into my previous video. Please go through that in case if you are not watched. Okay, I given complete information there. In case if you are not, then you can go and see and comes to in this video after that. And here is a requirement is Node.js and npm packages, Visual Studio Code and Cypress. npm once you install npm, sorry, Node.js, then automatically this npm package also it will come. Okay, no need to bother about it. And the step one we can able to go for step one to search in node.js download in a Chrome or somewhere which browser you're comfortable like this, and then if you enter automatically it will give you the first option. Choose the first option and you can go to here and it will give you for all exes, okay, based upon your Windows system. Then you need to second step, you need to check your Windows system type, 32-bit or 64-bit, which version you have. For this you need to file explorer, and here there is this PC, and right click on that and go to the properties and it will open window. This is a system type, is a 64-bit. Okay, for me 64. In case if you 32-bit, you can go for 32-bit version here. Right click on this, a new tab, and it will comes to here and select this one, enter. It will download for your exe. You can come and see the exe is ready now. Okay, now I have already, that's why I'm deleting. Okay, then you need to click for right, double click. Once you double click, then we can able to see this is the window and you have to click for next. You need to accept the agreement. Okay, if you want you can read for entire agreement, or else you can click for checkbox and you click for next. And it will ask you for the location where you want to install. It will give you for default location. In case if you want, you can provide your location, and after providing your location, copy the location and save into a notepad. Okay, then click on next, and if it will give you this all the things, nothing to worry, don't select anything, just click on next. And if you want automatically install necessary nodes and everything, you can click for the checkbox, otherwise not required. And just I'm going to click for install. Then the wizard will go on start for installation. Okay, wait couple of minutes. Now finish it. Okay, installation is completed. Now step 3, you need to check environment variables whether path is updated or not. Okay, then for path checking, just here you can click for search box, edit the system environment variables and enter. And there is a environment variables, and here you need to go for path location and edit. Once you see this last one, you can able to see that node updated. Okay, in case if it is not updated, you have to update the file location. Okay, environment variable, then environment is presented. And step 4, open cmd and then search node space hyphen hyphen version, and also you need to use for npm hyphen hyphen version, which version it is installed, whether npm installed or not. In case if it is not installed by default with the node.js, then you have to download npm also in your local, then you need to install. Okay, now I'm going to open here cmd. By default automatically it will install, it will not escape that, but in case some exception cases. Okay, Oh, sorry. Node version, there is a 20.9.0, and even you can download for 20.9, and also here also 20.9.0 is the version. Okay. Now after that, npm hyphen version. Okay. So npm hyphen version. Now it will give you for version 10.1.0 is the latest version. It is downloaded. Okay. Then you can close that. And next one is step 5 to start install search in browser like VS Code downloader. Okay. Then go to here and Visual Studio Code Editor, and then click here, and first one you can able to see, right? You can comes to here and click. It will start for installation. Okay. And it will give you here, and then I have already downloaded section. Okay. Here is there. You can double click on that particular exe, then it will give you for agreement. It will ask you for similar format, Node.js, how we are doing, right? Similar format, it will give you for agreement. Click on agreement and next, and it will give you for desktop icon you want to store, then you can, or otherwise it will give you for default options, you can keep it default. Click next and click for installation. Okay. It will start for installation and it will provide you. Okay. I have already installed in my location, that's why I exist. Okay. Once you've done the installation now, okay, both the cases completed. Okay. Then we need to install for Cypress. For this, what we need to do for Cypress installation, we'll go for step by step. Again, step 1, create one folder in any location. Any location you can able to create one folder. I'm going to here, I'm going to documentation, and I'm going to click on here, I'm going to click here E2E Cypress automation. This is my folder. Okay. I created for this folder. Okay. Then I need to open Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay. Once you open here, it will open for already created one. Otherwise, you can click for open folder. Okay. Click on open folder and choose for E2E Cypress automation, the folder. Okay. Then click here. Once you click it, it will automatically, it will show you for this wizard. Okay. Default wizard will be like this. It will be presented. Okay. Default Visual Studio Code Editor like this, a new file and open folder, clone Git repo and connect to the Git like this. We can able to, or if you have any already folder creation, it will give you this all the things. Okay. But by default, first page it will be look like this one. Then only we need to click for file and we need to click for folder and choose the folder, or else you can click for open folder or choose the folder where you created the folder. Okay. Once you created, we need to open for terminal. Okay. We need to open for terminal. For this, we need to click for step 2, open VS Code and choose open folder, then connect, choose created folder. Okay. And step 3, open terminal. Okay. Open terminal purpose, you need to click for 3 dots and terminal and new terminal. Once you click the terminal and new terminal, it will give you her here. Okay. Once you open the terminal, then here we need to do for step 4, npm init. Okay. Init -y. If you want -y, you can able to use for -y, or else you can go for step by step. Like I'll show you npm npm init. Okay. If you provide like this, it will ask you for some set of things. First one, the package name should be same or not. E2E Cypress automation. If you want the same one, you can enter. If you don't want for some different name you want, you can provide, it will take it. Okay. And version is 1.0 is the version you want. Yes, you can go ahead. Description and end to end Cypress UI automation testing. This is my description. Okay. And entry point, if you want entry point, yes, Node.js is the one. Input docs test command, if you want any test command, you can provide it, otherwise no. And git repo you want to clone, or if you want to provide that one, you can provide it. Keywords and author, I'm going to provide my name is Lokesh Gorantla, and enter license key ISC format and enter. This is the package, it will go for package.jsn folder, and this is your information. Okay, just click on Y and enter, then it will create for here. You can see it is provided for everything. Main is node.js file and end to end and everything. Okay, you don't want to provide this all nonsense everything. I want directly one time creation, then you can able to use for npm init -y. If you provide -y, automatically it will create for entire file without asking anything. It will once you created, is already presented, that's why it will same thing it will show you. In case if you are not created already, then it will create everything. You can delete this one also. I'm going to delete it. Okay, now npm -y, you can see here it is created. Okay, and you can see package name also, everything it is taken and everything is provided, and description we provided previous one. Now it is, there is no description. If you want, you can update end to end Cypress automation testing, Cypress UI automation testing. If you want author to update, you can provide for name of the author. And if you want anything keywords to do, then you can provide it. Okay, and save it. Okay, done. Now next step is you need to install for Cypress. Okay, for this we need to use for npm space install Cypress save -dev. Maybe you'll get for question. This is the same how we can able to. Then go to here, go to or new tab and cypress.io. If you enter cypress.io, it will give for documentation location. You can able to see npm install Cypress. You can it will provide for those things. If you want zip folder, you can able to do, but still you don't want like that, you need to click for documentation. Okay, in the documentation it will getting start one and install Cypress. Okay, if you come to the install Cypress, you can see npm install Cypress save -dev. This is the one you can able to copy and paste into your location, and after that it will show you what exactly it is there. Okay, you can see everything it will be showing, and how you can anything additional you want to install, you can go ahead, or it's okay. And opening Cypress, how you have to do those things also it will provide. We'll see for next. Okay, now I done the command and just I'm entering step 5. This is the command we need to provide. Okay, then we need to wait couple of minutes because it will take for some time to install it. Okay, you can able to see there is a node underscore modules is displaying. Okay, And if you comes to here, there is a Cypress section will be there, request and those things are presented. If you go for down, there are a couple of things are presented. All the folders it will provide. Okay, similar to like each one you can able to go. But this is not that much of important go inside that. Once it is installation is completed, you can able to see, you can able to run for npx cypress open. If you enter this particular command, it's a opening Cypress. Step 6 is open Cypress using command cmd. This is the command you need to use it. Okay, after installation we need to do it. It is completed installation, but I think my system got stuck, I guess. Load dash. Yeah, it got completed. Now you can able to see 39 packages are installed. Added for 183 packages, edited 184 packages in that in 39 packages looking for founding for running this particular command. Okay, after that we need to open for npx. This is the command npx cypress open. After you complete installation, still you can able to see there are two things. One is package.js and package log.js. If you go here, what all that things are presented, it will all the things are installed, right? Those all the plugins it will show here, package log.js folder location. Okay, then you can Cypress npx cypress open. If you enter this one, now your Cypress is going to launch. Okay, now the Cypress it is looking like the first time. Yes, allow. Then I can see here it is provided for 13.5.1 is the latest Cypress version is presented. Now that particular version is started. Okay, and this is the one. Continue. And here also you can able to see 13.5.1 is the latest version. There are two component, E2E testing and component testing. Component testing it will go for developer side, don't go for this one. And E2E is for testing is going for tester side, you can choose for E2E testing. Okay, once you click that, it will give you for this all the configuration e2.jsn, command.js and example.js and cypress.config.js. This is our main configuration file. Okay, please remember this. Okay, then click on continue. Once you click on continue, then it will start for installation. Now you can see there are browsers. What are the browser it is going to support? Even my first video also explained the introduction. Chrome browser, Edge, Electro browser, and Firefox. These are the browser it is supporting. You can choose any browser. Electro browser is basically it is like empty thing. Means it will not show you any UI. It by default is a backside headless mode. It will run. Okay. Now I'm going to choose for Chrome. Just I'm going to click on start. Once I started, it will go for this particular location. Okay, this is my location. You can able to go for example specs if you want. This is the example spec. It will give you for more files, but okay, if you want still you can go ahead, no issue. Okay, and this is the specs and all. This I will tell you on the next video session. Okay, and which version of Chrome browser it is presented in your local, that also it will give you here version. Okay, then click on create new spec. And here after clicking the new spec, you can go create for this spec and create OK. Then automatically it will run for your spec, which is a spec we created. That particular spec it will run. Okay, run and it will give you full pass result. Okay, after that you can come to your Visual Studio Code editor. Now you can see Cypress. Another folder came. previous we have, this is the one, and also one more cypress.config.js is there, and also Cypress folder is presented. Okay, we'll see for what exactly this folder structure and all. We'll see for next video session, and also some IntelliJ how we can able to add auto suggestions, how we can able to get those all the things we can able to see in the next video session. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.